Today I'll show you how to create a seesaw text animation using a simple loop animation inside CapCut. Let's get started. First, open your project and go to the text option from the bottom toolbar. Tap Add Text, type your title or caption, and then head to the Font tab to choose a style that matches your project. You can go for bold, clean, playful, whatever fits your video. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now go to the Loop section and look for the animation called Viper. When you apply it, your text will start tilting left and right, just like a seesaw, giving it a fun, swinging motion. Next, adjust how fast the seesaw movement happens using the duration slider. Slide left for a faster swinging animation, slide right for a slower, smoother movement. Play around with the timing until it matches the vibe of your video. And that's it. You've created a simple and stylish seesaw text animation in CapCut Mobile. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile editing tips.